Alright, y'all, it is the morning after the show. Just finished publishing the video that we filmed yesterday. We're about to pack up the hotel and drive back to Arkansas. But real quick, I wanted to point out something that's pretty important. So Crystal, as seen behind me there, she did keto all the way through prep. She did keto post-show. So last night, we went to Fogo de Chao, the Brazilian steakhouse, ate a ton of meat, and then she had the keto brownie. Obviously, I mean, she ate like probably 6,000 calories yesterday, which was a ton, considering that she was prepping and got down to like really low. But how do you feel today, babe?
I feel really good.
You don't feel sick or bloated?
Not at all. I have like, I'm still full from last night, but I don't feel like bad at all.
That is a huge thing. I know that seems small, but like all the other competitors last night that weren't keto, they went to a pizza joint. They had like an after party at a pizza joint. I guarantee they all feel like crap this morning. They all like are bloated. They're holding a lot of water. They probably put on like 10 pounds overnight. Not good. Crystal probably is up a little bit in weight, but not much. And it, like, I don't know, like keto from a reverse diet post-show perspective is that a reason alone makes it worthwhile to be on the diet, because you don't have near the negative effect post-show. Quick little comment on that. All right, we're packing up. Catch you on the road. Just hopped out the shower. I wanted to test Crystal's ketones after all that food last night, so I imagine she'd be much lower than the 3 that she tested yesterday. But just out of curiosity, let's see what she gets this morning. What do you think it's gonna be?
I have no idea.
No idea? High or low?
Low.
Low.
Oh.
That brownie did you in, baby.
I think it was the wine.
You had what, 2 glasses?
Yeah.
2 glasses of wine and a brownie?
And a lot of meat.
Yeah. Honestly, y'all, even if you just have meat, but you eat like a ton of it, that's going to drop your levels down too. Especially if it's super high in protein, which it probably was a little high in protein. Now, are we worried about this? Does this mean she's no longer keto adapted or fat adapted? No. It just means that she has fewer blood ketones coursing through her veins right now. But she'll register high probably in another hour or 2, so no worries. Much better than if she had gone out and gone to that pizza after party. And then she'd be screwed right now. She would feel terrible.
Alright guys, so we are on our way back home. We're in the car, headed to Fayetteville. We had our coffees, and I am just high on life right now. We have been on the phone with like our family members and our friends, and everyone just congratulating us and congratulating me on my show, and I honestly I've never felt this good before in my entire life. Yeah, I don't know. Any other words, Robert?
I don't know. I was talking to her earlier, and like the feeling she has right now is the same thing that I've had after I won my show. And when you put in so much work into something, and that work pays off, and you have that success, like that is the greatest feeling in the world, and I want everybody to be able to experience that. But you have to put in the freaking work and the grind and the hustle and dedication to experience that, and for it to mean that much. So find your thing. Doesn't have to be bodybuilding, doesn't mean like that. Just find your thing and just put your all into it and feel this feeling. It's the greatest, most satisfying feeling ever. That's all I gotta say.
I couldn't agree more with that. After doing all of this, going through the struggles day after day, moment after moment, ups and downs, it's all freaking worth it to like put in your all into whatever it is that you have a passion for. So, go after your passions. Alright guys, day after competition, I have my snacks in my bag, and I got a little bit hungry, so I went for the brick. I'm really excited to take a bite of this because we've been making them for weeks. We launched them, all of that, and I haven't been able to have one. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because we're gonna go out to breakfast, but I am gonna have a little bit, and I wanted to share my first bite with you guys. doesn't get any better.
To merge onto MO 249 South.
We also have a directional. Guys, it just doesn't get any better than this, seriously. Like, seriously. How did we... Oh.
Making me want one now.
It's so good. Keto brick all the way.
Hey, by the way, we're making more this week.
Yeah, we're making more this week. Headed down to Little Rock tomorrow. Get ready, y'all.
To keep left to merge onto MO 249.
Alright, y'all, it is noon. We're gonna get a breakfast. Neither of us are really hungry, but Crystal wanted a big breakfast for the day after the show before she got back onto her macros for a reverse diet. So we are at Cracker Barrel and we're gonna do just that. I used to love these things. Look at the macros on there though. You see these by the handful. Not anymore.
Yeah, I wonder if they can just see
You happy, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we just pulled up to campus because just need to change the scenery. We're gonna work on clients now, gonna work on all the comments and messages, but check out this view. Look at Crystal with her backpack. She looks like a college kid. Alright, y'all, we have the first iced Americano of the year. We also got some moon cheese. About to get to work, get these clients knocked out. Cheers. Just finished doing the deeper state keto Q&A. It's gonna be a long night ahead of us. Crystal and I are gonna be up for a while, but we're happy, we're high on life, and we love everything we're working on, so it's all good. Right now, let's go home and get our last meal for the day. All right, y'all, just had the last meal. I had one of those kielbasa sausages. I had 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of butter. Look at my macros right now, by the way, which brought me to within 0.6 of protein and 1.1 of my fat grams. Hitting the numbers on the money is the key. About to go to the grocery store and get some caffeine because it's gonna be a long night. We're probably gonna get some, you know, those Monster energy drinks. We don't recommend them, but we're probably gonna drink them. They have acesulfame potassium in there, which is not good. We might change our mind. Instead of getting one of the Monsters, we might get a pre-workout, believe it or not. I normally do not recommend pre-workouts because they always have acesulfame potassium. But this one, the Rush one, actually does not. What flavor do you think would be good?
Oh no, the blue raspberry was good. They gave me a sample of the sour candy.
So we got watermelon, we got blue raspberry, sour candy, fruit punch, island cooler. Can't believe I'm doing this. I don't normally take or recommend pre-workouts. There's actually no reason to get them. They've got a lot more bad stuff than good stuff, but I also want something besides a caffeine pill. So we're gonna try one of these for when we study and work late nights. So here we go. I honestly don't even know what kind of footage we have on this vlog. I feel like it's kind of bouncing all over the place. It doesn't really have a whole bunch of meat to it. Kind of just rambling. It's kind of what happens when we're traveling on the road. Crystal's getting some almond milk. Cashew milk. Real quick, I'm gonna tie this in. Cashew milk, almond milk, coconut milk. If you trying to watch your macros and you're hungry, but you don't have much calories left for the day, chug a big glass of one of those things prior to going to bed. You'll sleep better, and at least this worked for me. I'll sleep better, and I just feel full right before going to bed, so that works well for me. We're tackling all the comments. First of all, on the comments, real quick, Crystal, we thank y'all so very much. All the comments have been amazing, super sweet. and just.
And we're literally
Yeah.
reading every single one of them. Like,
Yeah.
they mean so much to us.
It's gonna take us a while. I don't know if we're gonna like try and respond back to every single one, but we're gonna read every single one for sure, and we appreciate all y'all so much. So, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll be in touch. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Take care.